welcome to the channel techtap. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable Windows automatic updates in Windows 11. So for Pro version, meaning Windows 11 Pro edition users can use Group Policy Editor to disable automatic updates. For that, go to search and type gpedit and click on edit group policy. And after that, click on administrative templates and then click on Windows compliance. Here scroll down and find Windows Update and then click on Manage and User Experience. And now double click on Configure Automatic Updates and now select Disable and click on Apply. And after this, Windows will not automatically update. You can also manually update it by using settings and going into updates option and clicking on check for update. And if you want to revert changes back to previous settings, you can do that by selecting not configured and then click on apply, and that's it. So this method is for the Pro version of Windows 11. And if you are on the home version, you can do this thing by using Registry editor, but make sure to create a backup of your registry folder in case something went wrong. And after that, go to search and type regedit, regedit, and click on Registry editor. Click yes to allow. And now double click on H key, local machine, and then double click on software, and you can also expand it by using this arrow. And after that, go to policies, Microsoft, and here go to Windows. And after going into Windows, right click on Windows and select new key. Here type Windows Update as a single word and press enter. And now right click on Windows Update and go to new and select key and name it as a new in all caps and press enter. And now right click on this portion and go to new and click on DWORD 32-bit value. Name it as no auto update and press enter. And after that, double click on it and select his value as 1 and click on OK and close it all up, and that's it. After this, your Windows will not automatically update. You can always go into settings and check for update manually, and that's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment, and share your video with friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.